Hello, my name is Hendrik Bredehöft from the University of Bremen in northern Germany, where I had the astrochemistry group. In our lab, we look at the chemical reactions that happen in very cold ices under irradiation, as might be relevant to the chemistry in comets or on interstellar dust particles. Many of you might know that the analysis of meteorites has yielded a whole host of organic compounds that are relevant or could be relevant to the origins of life on Earth. These are mostly formed by aqueous alteration at the meteorite parent bodies, but the material that has to be altered by water has to come from somewhere, and it's believed that comets provide the feedstock of simple organic molecules that are then later turned into more complex ones. And the reactions that turn very, very simple non-organic molecules into simple organics are the ones that we study here. For a long time, it has been believed that the feedstock for the origins of life on Earth must have come from outer space, delivered by comets and meteorites, simply because it seemed that there was not enough time, geologically speaking, on Earth between the formation of a solid crust and the origin of life. In the past few years, or maybe decades, a couple of other very promising explanations for the origins of these organics on Earth did come up. But still, I think that studying the chemistry in comets is really very interesting. And on Tuesday, I will discuss whether comets really are the cradle of creation or maybe some sort of nature without life. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday the 7th. And until then, I say bye-bye.